on. I think I
Hey,
could
it's
take
Kim,
you through
aka
a
Kim
quick
with the Gems, and I'm back with another
walkthrough.
accommodations tour. This time we are in Madrid, Spain. Although Madrid was not my favorite place to visit, this location was one of my absolute favorite places to stay. So clean, so walkable, and convenient.
And I'll tag where I am because I forgot the name of it. But anyway, so let's go to the door. I know I'm looking cray. Let me see. So turn on the light. Okay, perfectly. Oh, let me bring you through the door. Oh, did you see that? Oh no, you didn't. It's green. So here's the door. You walk in the door and you have a beautiful living room setup. I think it's styled pretty okay. It's all right. No, I mean the style is actually fine. It's like IKEA style furniture, but it's definitely I would stay here again, just based on the aesthetic. First thing I must do when I travel is turn on BBC because I need to know what's going on in these parts of the world. Oh, let's see what's going on outside. Okay, so here's the street. Let me see. Oh, I could open the window. I kind of chilled out a little, but I don't know if I could zoom in. Let's see. Yep, I could zoom in. Right across the street is where they have this whole big store that sold out about everything regarding the soccer match that happened yesterday. Oh, there's some brown people. Hey, brown people. Y'all see the brown people? Hey, my peoples. Anyway, and so let me see if I can show y'all the traffic. Now tell me that don't look like 6th Avenue and 52nd Street. Like this is ridiculous. Well, not ridiculous, but you know, it's a lot of traffic. So I understand why people don't have a whole bunch of time to sit and chit chat when you need directions to go, oh look, hop on, hop off bus. Yeah, when you need to go someplace and you want to stop them and you can't even speak their native language and they gonna, yeah, I ain't mad at them for, you know, abruptly ending the conversation. Oh, but this is it's still kind of, it was much more crowded earlier. Oh, but you know, oh, that's the other thing about Madrid, like siesta, and I have to get the times right, but I think it's during the week. So today's Sunday, it really didn't happen today, I don't think, but like during the week, you literally get like a 2.5 hour lunch break and all the stores close and shut down. So if you want to do some shopping or whatever, you better do it before siesta or you have to wait till after because they take their breaks seriously here. Trying to see what else I can show you. Oh, so I just love architecture. And the Spaniards know how to do that, boy. Their architecture is, well, it definitely has French influence as well, but this is the poppin' street. It's called, what is it called? Gran Via. Oh, maybe I could zoom in. I don't know if I can. That sign is kind of small, but it's called, where's the sign? I lost the sign. Oh, it's lower. There you go. It's called Gran Via, and this is really the heart of the city. As you can see. Oh, the policia? So friendly, so nice. I mean, I literally hate, well, you kind of have to form a judgment or get, you know, have expectations before you travel, but I literally was hesitant about even coming to Madrid, even though I've always wanted to come to Madrid because I used to be really good at Spanish. And I remember my college Spanish professor said to me, well, she kind of wanted me to live 6 months abroad, specifically Spain, specifically Madrid, so I can hone my Spanish skills and keep my Spanish skills. Oh, what the hell is that? That's a train station. Did they open it? Anyway, so yeah, so I regret not doing that. But everything happens for a reason. So I've always wanted to visit, but based on some of the feedback that I received, was definitely hesitant too. So, I was doing a tour, got sidetracked. Ready to go back outside after I take this nap. Ooh, oh, this window opens a whole bunch of different ways. Ow. Okay, sorry, y'all. Oh, y'all was looking at my hand. Okay, so back to the layout. Okay, the kitchen's really, really cute. Let me show you the kitchen. So, doesn't look like much, right? Just looks like a whole bunch of silly shelves. Well, don't know if you can see the stove right there. Little coffee maker setup, whatever. Here goes the little, timeshare setup with the pots and the pans. But, need to wash your clothes? There's your little washer. Let's see. Oh, trash. Or as he said, rubbish. I could put the rubbish in there. Wait a minute. Refrigerator. Can you show me what else? Oh, freezer. Sorry. And I think this is just, oh, no, he did show me this. The microwave, toaster, shindiggy with the sink. Cute as can be. Clean as can be. Spotless. You got a little dining room set. Here's the bedroom. Smells really good too. I wish I had smell-o-vision. And what's up, y'all? Y'all see my I gotta show y'all my Black Travel Culture t-shirt. Okay, and this is just outside again. Oh, and I actually was cool with staying on a low floor because I'm not staying here long, and their elevators that's the one thing, their elevators are slow. And so I could just walk up the stairs if necessary. And so here's the little cute bathroom set up. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Super excited to explore the city later. Oh, and I like this little, it's not a light fixture, but it's a little, I don't think it's a light fixture. Wait a minute, is it a light? Oh, it is a light fixture. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Very, very, like I said, excited. Sorry, y'all. To check out the city for the next couple days. Then I'm supposed to do 2 other cities. We'll see.
Once again, I really enjoyed my stay here. I would highly recommend. If you're looking for a quiet street, though, this ain't it. If you're looking for convenience to central Madrid, this is it. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about wellness, travel, and finances from a cultural point of view. I plan to do an accommodations tour at least twice a month. Until then, you could check out my tour in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Go to the comment section and let us know some of your favorite places to stay around the world. And I'll see you on the next video. Any questions? Ask in the comments.